Mike, you're one of the very happy customers they have here at S&E Performance Automotive, and you have a story to tell. Would you share it with us now?
You bet. So, it was a couple weeks ago, well, no, about a week ago, I just got back from Boise. Had to make a trip up to Boise to grab my kids, and my transmission started slipping.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, the next morning.
Right.
And I just thought I was slipping on ice, pulling on the driveway. No, that wasn't the case. So, kind of frantic, freaking out, you know, right before Christmas. And so we just loaded up. My kids came into town, and I came to where I thought was a transmission shop.
Okay.
Gordon's.
Because this used to be the old Gordon's transmission.
Yeah, that's correct. So I pull in, it said S&E Performance. And I'm like, huh, well, I'll walk in and see if they can check it out.
Right.
So I walked into the desk and asked if they worked on transmissions. And she said, yeah, we don't do like huge stuff, but we can take a look at it. So I'm like, all right, can you come take a look at it? So Sam came out and took it for a drive and came back. He's like, yeah, something's not right. I was like, he's like, have you ever had your transmission serviced? I said, no, I just got this truck, you know, 10,000 miles ago.
Right. So you didn't think you needed it?
Yeah,
right.
I didn't have any idea on the history of the truck. So he's like, well, let's start with that and see what's going on. I was like, well, when can you do it? He's like, we can get you right in. So
it's like a basic service. He was going to check things out rather than immediately gouging you, saying, oh yeah, you definitely need a new transmission.
Yeah. Right, that's the last thing somebody wants to hear, right? So I was all
right before Christmas.
Exactly. So I was all for it. I was like, yeah, if you can do it right now, let's do it. So give me a bid, and I was like, yep, let's do it. Let's just start with that, the less expensive of the options,
yeah,
and go from there. So we left it here. Started walking back like an hour or so later, and he was driving the truck. I was like, huh, he must have figured something out if he's out driving it. So he's like, hey, I'm just gonna check the fluids, take it and get the fluids circulating in there again, and I'll be back down. I was like, okay, we'll head down there and wait for you. Came back, and luckily he opened it up, and whoever changed it before or something, I don't know, didn't put the filter on good enough.
Oh. So it really wasn't that huge of a deal. It wasn't like you needed to buy a new transmission.
Right. And that was,
my goodness.
Yeah. And he's like, so I'm thankful for Sam and his knowledge on, he's worked on a lot of Dodges, he said,
yeah.
But I mean, that's probably just one of the few that he's, you know, he's able to work on, but.
Yeah.
So,
do you use your truck for work?
I do. I do a handyman business.
Okay, so what's the name of that?
Deep Canyon Handyman Construction.
Are you available?
Always taking new work, new clients.
Yeah.
So always, you know, free bids, free estimates, things like that. So
you can't do without your truck. I presume you pull a trailer too to pull all your equipment.
Correct. I have to, you know, store all my tools in my trailer, and that's how I get around and make a living. So.
So you would definitely recommend people to come down and see Sam here at S&E?
5-star rating over here. I've already recommended lots of people. My buddy at Aggie Auto Dealership, you know, they need lots of work done on their cars, and so
Sam's the man.
Sam is the man.
Okay, thanks so much, Mike. So there it is. You've got really a happy customer here, and just a thriving new business coming here into Logan. S&E Automotive, S&E Performance Automotive. Sam is the man if you need anything. And I will say for you ladies, this place is so clean. I can't believe it's actually a mechanic's place, right? Can you? It is really clean. If you have any needs that you need taken care of with your cars and your vehicles, trucks, come on down and see Sam here at S&E Performance, just off 1400 North, about 3rd West. If you hit Standard Plumbing and you turn right there, you'll find us here at S&E Performance. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.